never gets old.
What's up everybody, Crow here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be telling you guys why you should replace your LT4 supercharger lid and how you can get a lot more supercharger whine noise coming out of your car. Out of all the videos on YouTube, many people have done videos about this lid, but not a lot of people told you how you can get more whine and what other steps you could take to get more supercharger whine coming out of your car. So with that being said, let's get started. So when it comes from making that whine noise, pretty much what GM did from the factory is they really insulated the whining. So they added this backplate into the stock lid, which you can see right here. There's these little bolts. Now, if you want to do a free mod, you can take this out and you'll hear a little bit more whining noise. But honestly, I highly recommend you guys replace the lid. And the reason being is not only do you get more noise coming out, but also the engine does stay a lot cooler. I was doing a lot of heavy runs yesterday, spirited driving, and my engine was like 20 to 30 degrees cooler than usual, which is awesome. So the lid I have installed is the Nitrous Express LT4 lid. You guys can see it sits a lot taller. It is a better material and it does give a lot more noise. This lid was about $1,900. I know what you're thinking, that's way too expensive for a lid. You guys could get the DSX lid. It's a lot cheaper, it goes for about $600 and it'll pretty much do the same thing. The only reason why this lid is a lot more expensive is because of the built-in nitrous ports. And I don't know how true it is, but apparently out of all the lids, this is the one that gives the most whine. But I don't think it's gonna be that much of a difference compared to the DSX lid. Now, what I also did to this car is I took off the weather stripping here. So pretty much this thing, apparently what it does is it insulates it even more. And I did realize when I did take it off, it did give me a lot more cabin noise and I can hear that supercharger whine even more. Now, a lot of people think, hey, if you take that off, a lot of water is gonna get in. I'm here to tell you it's not. I washed my car with soap and water. I even tested it. I blasted water all over the windshield. And when I opened the hood, no water got inside. So you don't gotta worry about that. Now, what you guys can also do is there's a plastic piece here that goes on the fender and another plastic piece on the other side. You take those two plastic pieces out, you'll get even more supercharger whine going into the cabin, which was awesome. I did that. It's hard to say if I can tell a difference, but honestly, I felt like I did. But the biggest difference was taking out this little weather strip on the windshield. There's a misconception that if you have a 2015 or 16 Z06 and you get this taller lid, a lot of people say you have to replace the hood liner. I'm here to tell you that's not true. You can leave this hood liner alone. You'll still have clearance. It's not gonna affect anything. So you guys can just keep this. Some people do take this hood liner out and you'll get more supercharger whine coming out of the car. Honestly, I'm gonna stay away from that. I really like having this. I don't wanna strip everything out. All right, now I want you guys to hear the supercharger whine from inside the cabin. This is a reminder that I have an X-pipe and catback exhaust installed. So despite having those two mods, I can still hear the whine clearly. If you install headers, you might not hear it as much because it's just gonna be way too loud, but you're gonna love the noise. It's not gonna be Hellcat loud like a lot of people love, but it's gonna sound really good. And I would say it's like 50% of that. It's not too obnoxious, it's not overwhelming, it sounds beautiful, and the way it should have sounded from the factory. You guys can hear that? It sounds really good. Okay, a little bit of a pull now. It sounds beautiful. I highly recommend you guys get it. Like I said, it's not obnoxious, it's not gonna be overwhelming, but you can totally tell the difference. Now, if your exhaust is stock, you'll hear it even more. Pop it in tour mode, and you're just gonna hear the whining. It sounds really good. That sound is just intoxicating. That's one thing that Dodge did right with their Hellcats and Trackhawks. They made that whine super loud, and a lot of people love that. GM and Ford, for some reason, they insulate it more. Those downshifts sound beautiful. It never gets old. I'm telling you guys, of all the mods I've done, the NX lid is probably my favorite. It just really amplifies the driving experience. It makes it so much more fun to drive, in my opinion. Especially that I have the X pipe now and the catback exhaust. But honestly, if I had to just pick one, I would say this lid. The lid and taking off that weather stripping, it made it so much more drama in the cabin. It made it so much more fun. Like now, before I used to always just kind of have the radio on, blasting music. Now I'm like turn it off. Like I want to hear the whining noise more. I absolutely love it, guys. It is intoxicating. I'm doing my best to make the video do its justice, but honestly, in person, it's even louder. One more thing I want to mention to you guys is a lot of people say if you add a cold air intake, you'll hear it even more. I talked to a few people that have these kind of lids, and a lot of them said it didn't make that much of a difference. All these whining noises you hear from this video, that was from the stock intake. All I have is the Attack Blue drop-in air filter. That's all I have done to this car in terms of intake. And you can hear the whining is really loud. I don't think getting a cold air intake will make it even louder. A few people I talked to who have the Corsa intake and those other intakes, like the Hollytech, I believe, they said that the whining sounds the same with the lid. So if you guys want to save money, you can just skip the intake and just get the drop-in one. And that about sums up today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in getting this lid or the DSX lid, I'll have both linked in the description below. Like I said, if you're not going to run nitrous, you don't need the NX lid, but apparently it does whine the most. I don't think that's true. Just get the DSX one, call it a day, slap it on, do what I did, and you're going to love the noise. With that being said, I'll see you guys next time.